Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the problem. Determine whether a single tab or the whole browser is frozen, because the fix differs. Once done, press Shift+S to open Chrome Task Manager and look for the process using the most CPU or memory. You will see numbers for CPU and memory usage. These tell you which tab or extension is hung. If a single tab shows abnormally high usage, you can end that process to quickly restore responsiveness without restarting Chrome. After identifying the culprit, select it in Task Manager and click In Process to free RAM and CPU immediately. This often unfreezes the browser. If the crash recurs, disable extensions one at a time to find the problematic add-on, since extensions commonly leak memory or block scripts. Make sure to perform a hard reload with Ctrl+Shift+R on the affected page to bypass cached files and refetch resources, because stale or corrupted cache can trigger unresponsive script loops that freeze tabs. To complete the repair, check for and install Chrome updates via Menu Help about Google Chrome. Updates fix known stability bugs. If problems persist, create a new user profile or reset settings to remove hidden configuration issues that cause hangs. Make sure to test in incognito mode to confirm whether extensions are responsible, because incognito disables most add-ons. If nothing works, restart your computer to clear OS-level memory fragmentation, and then retry these steps. That single restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.